Hello, this is Brenda, teacher Brenda. So I'm continuing with adding and subtracting fractions. So this is part B video of part A. Part A was just adding without the variables, these variables. So here, question 1A, 5 over 4x minus 2x over 3. So from the last video we had, I said that when we are adding or subtracting fractions, we get the LCD of the denominator, that is the lowest common multiple of denominator. So if you forgot, you get your side work. The side work helps you to find what you forgot if you don't know them mentally. Me, I know. So I got the multiples of 4, which is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and you go on and on. But of course, you should have an idea where to stop. You don't just go on up to infinity. Then the multiples of 3, it's 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, and what? Then you go 12, 15, 18, and you go on and on. But already I have seen a common multiple here, that I see a first common number, a first smallest common number, which I see is 12. So meaning that the LCD of the LCM of the denominator of that is 4 and 3 is 12. So I'm going to get that LCD, which is 12. I make one line. I put the LCD. After getting that very LCD, I multiply the LCD by each of the original fraction that I had. So there we had 5x over 4. So then I get 12. I multiply by 2x over 3. Remember that this 12, it's 12 over 1. Okay? That is a whole number. Any number divided by 1 is that number. So meaning that when I'm simplifying this numerator, I don't have to multiply 12 times 5 divided by 4. No. You can still say that that 12 over 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times. Okay? We have seen from, hey, I'm using too much energy, even my pencil is broken. Yeah. So 12 divided by 3. I'm doing this 12 divided by this 4. Then I remain with 3. And I'm doing this 12 divided by the 3. I remain with 4. Is it 4 and 12 factors have a relationship? Okay. So meaning that here, when I come this side, in my numerator here, I no more have the 12 and 4 because 12 went through. I remain with 3. So this is 3 brackets 5x. Then here 12 by 4 by 3 gave me 4. So I have a 4 brackets 2x. Then everything is still over one denominator, which is 12. Then after the third step is just to multiply the numerator. 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 15x, and then minus 4 times 2 times x gives you 8x. Then you minus the like terms. Like terms are like the same thing. 15 minus 8, 15 oranges minus 8 oranges, 15 shirts minus 8 shirts. So if you don't know, you get your calculator, you say 15 minus 8, what do you get? 7, meaning that you have a 7, but because it has a variable next, so it's 7x. So your final answer looks pretty like that. To write it neat. 7 and 12 don't have a number which divides those two, so you end there. So that is your final answer for that. So when you look on this expression and this one, they are similar. The only difference is the sign. So it meaning the working is the same. You get your LCD I'm going to miss some of the steps. If you know what to do, you don't have to write LCD 12. You just put it here straight. LCD 12. Then you get your LCD, multiply, plus LCD. After that, I still have my LCD. Here we know what remains there. And also here we know. Then I still write. Here I have 15x. Here 8x. Then 15x plus 8x is like having 15 sweets plus 8 sweets. If you don't know how to do it in the mind, get your calculator, since no restriction to no use of a calculator. So here you can cheat. The only restriction is that they want you to do this thing without punching in the calculator. So here we get 23. So meaning I have 23x over 12. Still, 12 and 23 don't have a number which goes into those numbers. So it means your last answer remains there, 23x over 12. Okay? So what is important in this adding fractions without a calculator, adding and subtracting, is getting the LCD and choosing the method. Me, this is the method I explain as for those who listen to the first video. Okay, the method is I get the LCD of the denominator, I put it there. After that, I multiply. You only do that if it's minus or plus. And also when you are using this method, your fractions must be in improper fraction. So if it's a mixed fraction, you change it to improper fraction. Okay, bye. This is Teacher Brenda. Yes, enjoy. I love maths. That's why I teach it. Thank you. Bye.